farming business for profits. Learning more about how to start sheep farming business is important, especially if you want to start a new business. Sheep farming is actually rewarding, whether you raise for your livelihood, as a hobby, or as a source of homegrown food supply. And it can be a great way to convert grass into food and clothing. It is actually possible to raise sheep profitably on small piece of land, if you can manage your operation carefully. Sheep are generally kept for many different purposes, such as meat, milk, skin and fiber. Success in sheep farming business depends on good planning in advance, solid
and continual management of the farm, and also on keeping a record of everything. Commercial sheep farms can actually be a great source of income and employment. There is also an opportunity to export sheep products into international markets. How to start sheep farming business. Starting commercial sheep farming business is relatively easy. As the sheep are smaller sized animals. But it's wise to make a better business plan prior to starting business. And work according to the plan.
Here we are describing more about starting farming business. Why do you want to start sheep farming business? First of all, decide the reasons actually why you want to raise sheep. Generally, sheep are raised for many different Some people raise sheep for earning a living from their meat, milk, hides and wool. Some raise sheep for vegetation control. Some raise for obtaining organic homegrown meat, and also a few people also raise sheep as a hobby or as a pet. So, it is very important to determine why you actually want to raise sheep. You have enough time and money for raise sheep. You also need to consider if you have enough time and money for starting sheep farming business. You need money for purchasing sheep, building their shelter, fencing, and also for vaccinations and vet checks. Consider whether you can arrange the money or not. Select farm location. You will need to select a very good location. For starting your sheep farming business, and it's very important. Select and purchase breeds. There are numerous sheep breeds available throughout the world to choose from. Some common and popular breeds for commercial sheep farming business are Cheviot, Suffolk, Polype, Jacob, Hampshire, Katahdin, Merino, Rambala. Banner, South Down. Choose the breed depending on your production purpose. Starting with the local breeds will be better, especially if you are a beginner. After selecting good and right breed for your operation, it's time to purchase the animals. Consider famous farms or breeders within your locality first for purchasing quality animals. You can also purchase sheep from any of your nearest livestock market. Online classified websites are also a good option for sourcing quality animals. Shelter housing. Good shelter housing system is must for raising sheep. Although sheep don't require high-end or expensive housing, your sheep will be healthy and live happily if you fulfill their basic demands. Sheep require shelter not only for keep themselves safe from predator, but also for keeping themselves safe from adverse weather condition. An adult sheep will need between 10 and 20 square feet space. Depending on the breed and size of the animal, you have to ensure that the house is always clean and dry. And the roof needs to be at least 6 feet high from the floor. Good ventilation system is a must for keeping sheep.
And you should ensure flow of sufficient air and light inside the house. Feeding your sheep. Sheep are grazers and they love to graze. So, you have to ensure availability of good quality pasture for your animals. The pasture for the sheep can include any mixture of brush trees, grasses, and legum. But in case if you have poor pasture, then you have to supplement their diet with hay and specialized pellet feed. Salt lick blocks are also required for sheep. You also need to ensure there is always fresh water available for your animals.
Clean the feeding and watering pot of your sheep on a regular basis. Fencing. Fencing is a good option for keeping your animals inside, but it's not a mandatory. A good fence around the pasture will keep the sheep safe from predators. Or any other dangers. Both wire and woven fences will be good for your animals. Health care. Good health care and management not only keep the animals healthy and strong, but also helps to maximize income from the business. Vaccinate your animals on regular basis. You also need to ensure that the sheep are wormed regularly with a commercial worming paste that is suitable for sheep.
Other care. Sheep are vulnerable to foot rot diseases. So regular hoof trimming is required for the sheep.
Reference: How to start sheep farming business for profits. I am really appreciate you for watching any Sovann Daily videos. In order to receive endless financial and investment videos, please like, share, comment on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck. Thank you.